Guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This video is how to install a doorknob. Basically, I start with this guy over here, put the screws on, and then we're gonna do this guy over here. We're gonna align it with the holes. Let me see, what are we doing? There you go. And then this one on the outside, we're gonna align the half moon, just like that. And then screws, we're gonna kind of feel around for the end of the other side. And when that one is on, you're gonna put the other one on. Just kind of like thread it in there. Your drill. And that's it. Minute and 10 seconds. Doorknob is installed. Thanks for watching.